My name is Jonathan. I'm a funeral director. I started off around 20 years ago when my grandfather died.
I've always loved Halloween, and where I grew up in Hampton Court, it was always a huge thing when I was a kid. So over the years, as things become more available to me to buy and to source, I've kind of loved putting out bits and pieces, and then it kind of evolved and grew over the years. And so we've even started to do, instead of just putting out all of my decorations all at once, I kind of like to think of a theme every year. It takes a bit of time, but it's good fun.
If I wasn't a funeral director, it probably would be wilder. We probably push the boundaries a little bit more, but just I do have the sensitive side of my business.
And because we collect for Temple Street, I think that's really gathered the support of the community over the years.
The neighbours are really fantastic. They're very supportive, and they always ask us, do we want any help with anything?
When you do see all the little kids' faces,
they love it, yeah. It's really for the children.
They absolutely love it. It's so cute.
As they're getting older, they appreciate it more. They obviously loved it when they were smaller, but they're getting to that age now and they really, really appreciate it.
It's just a lovely community event, and I think over the years it's garnered more and more interest, and I think more people, you see all the people yourselves outside, and on Halloween night there's actually queues of people.
Yeah. They're dying to know what we're going to do when this is over. They want to go, oh, what are you going to do next year?